Today we continue with David in 2 Samuel 16 through 18. We're seeing more hardship for David, more backstabbing from family, and also God giving the consequences he told David he would be giving at some point. What we all want is forgiveness without consequences. But God is too good and too just for that. We're going to respond today with a deep cut hymn that I had actually never heard until recently, and it's called Whatever My God Ordains is Right. Whatever my God ordains is right, His holy will abideth. I will be still whatever He does, and follow where He guideth. He is my God, though dark my road, He holds me that I shall not fall, and so to Him I leave it all, and so to Him I leave it all. Whatever my God ordains is right, He never will deceive me. He leads me by the proper path. I know He will not leave me. I take content what He has sent. His hand can turn my griefs away, and patiently I wait His day, and patiently I wait His day. Whatever my God ordains is right, though now this cup in drinking may bitter seem to my faint heart, I take it all unshrinking. My God is true, each morning new, sweet comfort yet shall fill my heart, and pain and sorrow shall depart. Pain and sorrow shall depart. Let's sing one more. Whatever my God ordains is right, here shall my stand be taken. Though sorrow, need, or death be mine, yet I am not forsaken. My Father's care is around me there. He holds me that I shall not fall, and so to Him I leave it all, and so to Him I leave it all. One of the coolest things about this song to me is that it was written in Germany in 1675. God is still the same, yesterday, today, and forever. He was sovereign over David in Israel. He was sovereign over the people in Germany 350 years ago. And He is sovereign over us today, and He will be tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me in worship today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.